I be rolling with the squad, we be going so hard like whoa. You know what it is, and we always get it in.
So y'all be getting confused, man. A lot of people can't walk their dog without a leash. But, you know, fortunately, me, I can. It's a lot of people, man. It's a lot of dogs that don't listen to their owners and stuff like that. But it's a good thing that I have dogs. I gotta walk them one by one though, because if they all come out here at the same time, they'll get crazy. But yeah, there's a lot of people out here that can't do that with their dogs. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. Come on. Best dog trainer in the world. Man, y'all come get at your boy KP, no cap. I'll train your dog up. She'll be looking like a show dog, no cap. Y'all, this motherfucker look lonely as fuck. Look at the brakes, ew. Yuck. She definitely looks like she want fun. Sheesh. Oh, buddy with the big ass wing. Far in the distance, as I can see a Lamborghini, if I'm right. But my eyes do not deceive me often. Like I said, I know my cars, man. What is that? That's the Evo Huracan STO. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. That thing look menacing. Like, damn. Oh, look angry though, no cap. All right, YouTube, so currently what's happening here is basically I'm stuck on the side of the freeway and I'm broken down and I'm waiting on my boy Christian to come help. And I'm relaxed, kick back, chilling. And this is the rest of it finally. Sheesh. Your boy always getting into some shit, some broken down shit with the cars, man. Woo! Ooh, look at that nice M4 right there. The daily had just broke down on the side of the street, but it's cool though. We looking saucy with the donut wheel, man. No cap. No, you know, man, no worries about it. We're gonna get it done. Other than that, guys, your boy needs some gas. Look at that. Sheesh. Got 24 miles. Now let's not run out of gas. Let's see what we have in store for us. I'm probably gonna go get a new tire tomorrow because I'm tired as fuck now. And probably gonna take the other car out so I can be happy, and it makes me happy. So that's probably gonna be the move. I'm really beginning to question if life is actually real. Cause like, what in the actual fuck? Look at this, guys. What the fuck is that? What the actual fuck? Bro, life can't be real right now. Like, what the fuck is that? No way. What the actual fuck? He can't be serious. Guys, here goes the tire that popped on me on the freeway. It was bald. If you look at all I'm getting all new tires, by the way. But yeah, there's that. Ugh. Don't worry, guys. I'm getting all four. Not all four. That one still has shit on it, still. But I'm getting all three. Might as well. But these things are ball. This the daily. I'm not taking very good care of the daily, but it's finna go get an oil change and get maintenance up on this one. Pretty much just current situation, guys. That shit hitting right now, no cap. All right, guys, we're in B-Loss Dodge Charger, man. He got racing seats in. He got them installed and everything, guys. We're gonna get it right in here, and Lontarian's gonna drive my car. So, finna go ahead and start this thing up. Thing looking nice. sir. Sheesh. Yes, sir.
Fuck that. Ain't
And there's my car right behind us. I love doing this shit. My shit be sound like gunshots. What? Hold on. You're not KP the fucking GOAT? You're not KP the GOAT. Who are you?
Hard-working man.
That's not KP the GOAT. Man, these two cars are one hell of a mix-up. To imagine two Mopars and one VQ in the same household, man. That's crazy. These cars do look good, though. But we finna get a hoop session in. Some slight B-Law, taking some good pictures of his car, man. Sheesh. Holy shit. Oh shit, guys. My car versus.
Hope you still feel me. All my real niggas gotta feel me. Phone talk about it and kill me. Hope 1, 2, 3.
All right, guys, what's good, YouTube? We're coming to the closure of this video. And by the way, shout out my boy AJ Johnson. I know this is typically my short videos and stuff like this. I hope you guys liked this video and enjoyed it. But we have lots of content coming soon. So guys, stay on the lookout, especially turn on post notifications. We had almost 12,000 subscribers, guys, so keep it up. Shout out my boy AJ Johnson, one hell of a guy. He's starting his YouTube career and everything like that. He posted similar content as mine, but you guys can go ahead and go over to his channel. He's definitely gonna be delivering some content. But if you come over here, guys, y'all probably looking like, what is this on the car? Something like this. But what we have ordered is a GoPro 360. We have right here is a suction mount. We have the mount for it. So we're gonna be getting a lot of good content coming soon. This was the separate selfie stick altogether. I think it cost like $80 or somewhere around that ball range. No more than $100. But we got the GoPro coming in Wednesday, so you guys can see that very good footage. We got a couple races coming up also. So stay tuned, guys. It's your boy KP the GOAT, and I'm out.